Hi friends, in this video we will see the benefits of raisins and how to make raisins at home. Raisins are dried grapes which are beneficial for health if they consumed in moderate quantities. Raisins are packed with nutrients like vitamin B, iron, potassium, magnesium and antioxidants which are vital for good health. Let us check it out how to make raisins at home. Raisins helps in digestion and prevents constipation. Raisins are rich in fiber which gives laxative effect to the stomach and helps in relieving constipation. Presence of potassium and magnesium in raisins reduces acidity and removes toxins from the system. Raisins reduces sexual weakness. Raisins contains amino acids which helps to treat men's problems like low sperm count and erectile dysfunction. Anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of raisins helps in lowering the risk of cold, cough, fever and other infections. Raisins are rich in antioxidants which improves eyesight and strengthen eye muscles. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap on bell icon for further notifications.